Hi, Paul Leeds Harley-Davidson here. What I've got for you today is absolutely stunning Road King. It's in two-tone and it's in white gold pearl and pewter pearl. It's fully stage 1 tuned. This bike sounds absolutely awesome. Heavy breathing air filter and a fuel pack makes it run a lot cleaner, bit more torque. Got some nice features on it. Aftermarket grips. Nice little detailing on the fuel cap there and all round the starter. Aftermarket footboards and brake and gear. Aftermarket rear as well. This is just a stunning bike from every angle. It's a 2009 Road King. It's got the windshield as well, and it's covered 15,000 miles. Been meticulously looked after and maintained. And if you want to do some cruising, touring this year, this is the bike you need to be looking at. So for any further help or to test ride this machine, don't hesitate to contact us at Leeds Harley-Davidson. Thank you.